Melbourne Gardens was founded in 1846 when land was reserved on the south side of the Yarra River for a new botanic garden. It extends across 38 hectares or 94 acres that slope to the river with trees, garden beds, lakes, and lawns. It displays almost 50,000 individual plants representing 8,500 different species, so these are displayed in 30 living plant collections. Cranbourne Gardens was established in 1970 when land was acquired by the Gardens on Melbourne's southeastern urban fringe for the purpose of establishing a garden dedicated to Australian plants. A generally wild site that is significant for biodiversity conservation. It opened to the public in 1989. On the 363 hectares or 97 acre site, visitors can explore native bushland, heathlands, wetlands, and woodlands. One of the features of Cranbourne is the Australian Garden, which celebrates Australian landscapes and flora through the display of approximately 170,000 plants from 1,700 plant varieties. It was completed in 2012. Royal Botanic Gardens, Victoria is home to the State Botanical Collection, which is housed in the National Herbarium of Victoria. The collection, which includes 1.5 million preserved plants, algae, and fungi, represents the largest herbarium collection in Australia and wider Oceania. It also includes Australia's most comprehensive botanical library. Melbourne's Royal Botanic Gardens is a cherished institution, offering a lush sanctuary amidst the bustling urban environment. The gardens have a rich history spanning over 170 years and have played a pivotal role in the city's cultural and botanical heritage. Let us explore the origins, development, and ongoing significance of the Royal Botanic Gardens, highlighting key milestones and contributions from notable figures, including pioneering arborists and botanists. The establishment of the Royal Botanic Gardens in Melbourne can be attributed to Charles La Trobe, the superintendent of the Port Phillip district. In 1846, La Trobe selected a site along the Yarra River for the creation of a botanical garden. His vision was to create a space that would not only serve as a scientific and educational resource, but also provide a place of recreation and beauty for the public. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.